Congratulations to all our awardees this evening. You have our sincere thanks and appreciation for your incredible achievements. This has been a truly historic event for NYAM. It's also our first full awards program since the pandemic began, and our awardees represent the top minds that have worked relentlessly to help bring us out of this pandemic and to position us for a healthier future. We're thrilled to close the program with special remarks from another individual to whom we owe a debt of gratitude, Dr. Anthony Fauci, Director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases. While Dr. Fauci has become a household name for his work related to the pandemic, what many of you may not know is that he has advised 7 presidents and has been on the front line of scientific breakthroughs for most of his career. We're thrilled to have him join us today. Welcome, Dr. Fauci.
Thank you for that kind introduction, Dr. Salerno. I also want to thank the New York Academy of Medicine for inviting me to join you to celebrate these remarkable honorees for their tireless efforts to advance public health. And on this occasion, let me also welcome and congratulate the incoming New York Academy of Medicine fellows and members. The challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic at home and abroad have brought into sharp focus the world's need for the science and art of public health professionals and the imperative to vastly increase the support of our public health enterprise. Your expertise, your energy, passion, and commitment are needed now more than ever. As director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases for the past 37 years, I have been privileged to help lead the biomedical research response to a number of public health emergencies, beginning with the emergence of HIV in 1981 to fears of bioterrorism following 9/11 and the anthrax attacks, to outbreaks of pandemic influenza in 2009, SARS, Ebola, and Zika, and currently to the COVID-19 pandemic. Our country's experience with COVID-19 has highlighted the pivotal role of scientific perseverance, dedication, and innovation to protect public health. At the start of the pandemic, a vigorous global scientific response resulted in the development and deployment of several highly effective COVID-19 vaccines in record time. Despite their rapid development, the foundations for these vaccines were laid through innovative research advances made decades earlier. The concept of the mRNA vaccine platform began as a result of scientific ingenuity and evolved over years to become a reality. In addition, the discovery of the stabilized and conformationally correct spike protein of the coronavirus used as the immunogen in multiple COVID-19 vaccines began with exquisite structural biology studies that expanded to collaborations across multiple disciplines. Innovators and scientific leaders, including those key individuals whom we are honoring today, advanced fundamental research that enabled the development of the safe and effective COVID-19 vaccines that have saved countless lives around the world. However, although the remarkable effectiveness of these vaccines provides hope that we can end the COVID-19 pandemic, our work is far from over. We must overcome vaccine hesitancy and remain vigilant to ensure that we finish this marathon race. We also must apply what we have learned and continue to preempt and outwit other pathogens and public health threats that may emerge in the future. When this pandemic began its sweep around the globe more than a year ago, it quickly hobbled hospitals and imposed crushing levels of stress and strain on their medical staffs. The more than 700,000 American deaths from COVID-19 are heartbreaking testimony to why we need to invest more to support public health. We also must work harder to overcome the unacceptable disparities in health experienced by minority groups especially African Americans, Hispanics, and Native Americans who have been disproportionately impacted by COVID-19. In the face of all these major challenges, the public health enterprise needs to nurture and expand the pipeline of extraordinary leaders, such as the remarkable individuals we are honoring here today. Their commitment, ingenuity, and dedication to public health has been extraordinary in the face of historic challenges and makes them eminently worthy recipients of these awards. Please take heart knowing that science has lit the path forward to how we can and will, with perseverance, end this pandemic, restore our vibrant and connected lives, and protect public health moving forward.
Thank you, Dr. Fauci, for not only joining our event this afternoon, but also for your passion and dedication to science, to advancing health, and moving our country past this pandemic. We are honored to have you address our honorees, our new fellows and members, and our entire NYAM network.
And what an incredible network we have, ranging from today's leaders to the next generation of health and healthcare leadership, all dedicated to advancing health. From all of us at NYAM, congratulations to our honorees, and thanks to each of you for supporting our mission. Have a good evening.
Have a good evening.